Career advancement through top network security certifications. In today's digitally interconnected world, where data breaches and cyber threats have become increasingly prevalent, the demand for skilled network security professionals has never been higher. These certifications not only validate your expertise but also serve as a testament to your commitment to maintaining the integrity and security of critical digital infrastructure. What is network security? Network security is a critical aspect of modern computing and communications. It encompasses a wide range of measures and practices aimed at safeguarding the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and resources within a computer network. Why is network security needed? Network security is an indispensable element of our modern digital landscape for several compelling reasons. Firstly, it acts as a safeguard against data breaches, protecting valuable assets such as customer information, financial records, and intellectual property from unauthorized access and theft. Additionally, network security ensures the privacy of individuals and organizations, preventing the unauthorized interception of personal data and confidential business communications. What are the types of network security? Network security encompasses various measures and strategies to safeguard computer networks from unauthorized access, data breaches, and other cyber threats. Here are the key types of network security. Firewalls. Firewalls act as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks, such as the Internet. Intrusion prevention systems, IPS. IPSs monitor network and/or system activities for malicious exploits or security policy violations. Intrusion detection systems, IDS. IDSs detect and alert on suspicious activities or patterns within a network. Which are the best network security certifications? To unlock significant earning potential in the field of network security, a solid grasp of essential tools and skills is imperative. CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Also known as white hat hacking, ethical hacking involves legally probing businesses to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors do. The CEH certification, offered by the EC Council, validates your expertise in penetration testing, attack detection, vectors, and prevention. CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. This certification is highly sought after in the industry, validating your expertise in IT security, cybersecurity program design, implementation, and monitoring. CISSP is suitable for roles like Chief Information Security Officer, Security Administrators, IT Security Engineers, and Senior Security Consultants. CISA, Certified Information Systems Auditor. CISA, offered by ISACA, is designed for information security professionals specializing in audit control, assurance, and security. It equips you with the skills needed to manage IT, conduct comprehensive security audits, and identify vulnerabilities. CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. CISM, also from ISACA, focuses on the management aspects of information security, including governance, program creation, and risk management. Ideal for transitioning from technical to managerial roles in cybersecurity. Conclusion. In conclusion, the world of cybersecurity is dynamic and ever-evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is essential in defending against the ever-present threats in the digital realm. Whether you're a newcomer looking to establish a foothold or a seasoned expert seeking to advance your career, these certifications offer a structured path to sharpen your skills, validate your knowledge, and enhance your professional prospects.